So in this session we are going to see about Python JSON built-in function. So what is this JSON built-in function will do and what it is we will see. So this Python JSON will store the data and then it will exchange the data. That means storing and exchanging is done with this. So JSON is a text written with JavaScript object notation. It is written in JavaScript object notation, and with the help of this JSON we can convert from JavaScript object to Python and vice versa, Python to JavaScript also. So it is a built-in package called JSON. It is a built-in package. So how can you import the JSON module is like the other packages we can import just with import JSON. Import JSON. So this is how you can import. If you want to pass the data which is already existing, if you want to pass the data, you will use a method called JSON.loads. This is a method which you can use for passing. So this will convert from JSON to Python. Whereas if you want to convert from Python to JSON, you will use other method called JSON dumps. We will see all those things. So let us see a simple example with the conversion and the parsing and all the things can be done with this. So here I have imported JSON and then I have created a dictionary which is a JavaScript dictionary. X equal to name, John, age, city, like this. And here I am passing. As I have told you, JSON.loads will pass. So here I am passing JSON.loads of X and I am storing it in the variable called Y. And I am passing it and I am storing it in a variable called Y. And then I am accessing the age from this dictionary. So the resultant will be a Python dictionary. So I am accessing with Y of age. So let me see. Yes, it is 20. So as we have mentioned here, age is 30. It will come as 30. So this is not only possible with dictionaries, it is possible with the list, arrays, all those things. We will see that also. So next is, if you want to convert from Python to JSON. So now we have seen a JSON to Python, right? If you want to convert from Python to JSON, for passing you will do for JSON.dumps method to convert. So it will be converted JSON string by using a JSON.dumps method. So let us see this. So the same example, but we will use here JSON dumps. So you can see here, same, the dictionary is same, and then it is converting to JSON. So this is a Python dictionary, Python object, which is converting to JSON. So finally you will get print binding on the dictionary you will get. So you can have a look at the output. So this is what the dictionary is. This is how you can convert from Python to JSON. So next, if you want to, you can convert objects. So just now I have told, not only the dictionary, you can convert into list, tuple, string, int, float, true, false, and none. We can convert to all these types from JSON strings. So let us see a simple example which is converting all the things to a single file. So I want to paste this here. So let me delete this also. So I am converting here. See here. You can see this is a dictionary, list, tuple and list, and then string, int, float, true, false, and none. As we have told all this, right? So this is how we can convert JSON.dumps. You use JSON.dumps. While converting, you will use JSON.dumps. So let me run this. You will get it. So you can observe here. You will get the dictionaries, dictionary here, name, John, apple, bananas, and all those things. So you can observe everything here. Hello, 42, 31.76. So this is how you can pass and you can get the data. So while converting, when you convert from Python to JSON, Python objects are converted into JSON in the following ways. Like dictionary is converted to object, list is converted to array. In JSON, I'm talking with Python with respect to JSON. So tuple is converted to array, string is converted to string, int is converted to number, float is converted to number, and all these things. So we can observe none also. None is converted to null. You can see over here. So this is the thing which you are doing. So this is how you can do. So we can also convert with the legal data types. So here what I have given here is I have given list with list with dictionary, list as well as dictionary. Both I have given. So when I have given both the things, here you can see JSON.dumps of X. So this is a X dictionary and all the things I have given. So let me run this. So you can see the output in clumsy manner, like all together. Like if you want to drag this and you want to see this output like this, that means indentation or readability is absent over here, right? So if you want to get the readability, what you will do is you will go with indentation. So you will give the indentation for this. How to format the result is by using the indentation. So for the indentation, you will give JSON.dumps of x comma indent equal to 4. How much you want, you can give indentation here. We can also separate the files by comma, colon like this. Which you can also separate like this. So let us see a simple example for this. So I am going to give the indentation as 4 with separators dot comma and equal to. So let me see this. So you can have a look here. So you can observe the difference. So the indentation is matters. Like if we want to read it properly, we should get the indentation properly, right? So this is how you will see. So this is what the indentation is. So this is hard to read and this is very easy to understand and easy to read, right? So this is how you can get the indentation. So even the keys can be sorted. The keys you can observe here. The keys N, A, M, D, C like this. It is in unsorted manner, right? So you can also sort the keys. So sorting the keys, how you can sort the keys is, so you can observe here. JSON.dumps of X, comma, indent equal to 4, sort underscore keys equal to true. So what I'm doing here, I'm turning on the sort keys that is true. That means here I'm requesting to sort the keys and I'm giving the indentation is 4. So you can have a look over here how you will get the sort keys. So let me copy this. And I'm going to paste it here. So now you will get the sorted manner. Let's write the print over here. So the keys will be in sorted manner. So if we run this, now we can observe the output. So it is like in sorted manner. So you can see here N, A, M, D, C like that, right? So after that you can see here diverse, marriage, named, pets. See, everything is in a sorted manner here, like this. So this is how you can sort the keys as well. You can also separate with the separators and you can also sort the keys and you can work with the JSON. We can convert from JSON to Python and Python objects to JSON objects with the help of this. So JSON While converting, you will use JSON.dumps and JSON.loads with respect to the line. Like if you want to convert JavaScript to Python, you will use JSON.loads. If you want to convert from Python to JavaScript, you will use JSON.dumps. So this is about JSON. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.